Hi, I'm Don Winkler. Welcome to the Amazon Business Blueprint. If you like this video, please check out amazonbusinessblueprint.com/videos for the rest of the series. Thank you and enjoy. When we started on Amazon, we had a product that no one else offered. It took a while for people to find us. Once they did, look out. What can you expect? It depends completely on what you have and what they want. What works in your current marketplace might have little or no bearing on what works on Amazon.com. With Amazon, your marketplace is the planet. All you need is a tiny little slice of a tiny little sliver, and you'll have more orders than you know what to do with. I've used a number of different strategies to maximize sales on Amazon.com. The first and most important is this: list everything. You absolutely want to get every product listed on Amazon.com. There's no cost from Amazon to do this. Having every product out there gives you maximum exposure and increases your chances of making a sale. In addition, you'll find some products that really surprise you. We have a couple of products that we can hardly keep in stock. I would never have guessed that they sell as well as they do. Along this same line, I try to get the smallest quantity of products that I can from each of our vendors. If they'll sell me one, that's all I want. Even better, I always ask for free samples. If I have a sample, I can list it on Amazon. If it sells, I'll buy more. If not, I don't have much invested. Just took the time it took to list the product and find a place for it on the shelf. Amazon has a wide array of promotions. Free shipping. For example, spend $250 or more and get free shipping on all jewelry orders. Money off. For example, spend $25 or more and receive $5 off. Save 30% on this item when you purchase one or more qualifying items. For every 5 pairs of socks purchased, save 20%. Buy one, get one. For example, buy 2 lipsticks, get one free. Buy a muffin pan and get a box of muffin cups free. Bounce back. For example, spend $500 and get 50 member loyalty points. Each of these options offers numerous ways for the customer to qualify. The merchant can exercise many limits on which products are included or excluded. I'm not aware of any other online option that allows you so many ways to promote your products. I've used promotions to offer free shipping, free products, and reduced prices. Although Amazon customers do not opt in very often for these promotions, we've got some very loyal customers who watch our promotions. We're now adding a flyer into our shipments showing customers what they missed. Here's that flyer. After 3 weeks, we're already seeing results. We've tripled the number of customers who opt in for our promotions. We've also increased our sales on Amazon by going to what we call the free shipping model for pricing. Over and over, online buyers show that they do not want to pay for shipping and handling. I got the message several years ago. Standard shipping is free on everything we sell. Now that doesn't mean we're giving away the shipping costs and losing money on every sale. Oh no, we've increased the price of product to include the shipping. So if my competitor charges $4 for the item plus $1 shipping, I just charge $5. Who wants to pay $1 shipping on a $4 item? No one. Buyers would much rather just pay the $5 for it and get free shipping. This really pays off if you're selling products that people buy 2 or more in one sale. I cannot overstate the impact that this has had on our sales. You should consider this strategy. In order to implement this strategy, you must know your shipping costs. Don't guess, because you'll either lose money or price yourself out of the business. The difference between dreamers and successful business people is this. Successful business people are dreamers who act on their dreams. I've always felt that I did not need to invent the wheel. I don't have the time or the aptitude for creating the new great thing. Success in my life has come from following successful people. They showed me what they did to be successful. I learned and copied their plan. And that's why I've been successful. Throughout my life, these mentors have put me on the fast track. They've saved me time and trouble. They've showed me what to do, pure and simple. If you've read my book or watched my videos, you know that I cut to the chase. My goal is to get you to the maximum profit with the minimum time and how to avoid the pitfalls that hold back the competition. If you're listening to this, you need to take the next step. You may not consider yourself ready, but like any business, there's always room for a few more sales each day. I've done it. I can show you how. I will grow your business. I'll put your employees to work making money. I offer a full range of services. If you need someone with a quick answer to a question, I offer coaching and consulting. If you need more help to get your business off the ground, we offer setup services. If you need help, I'm here. Please visit AmazonBusinessBlueprint.com to determine which of my affordable services are right for you and your business.